Ever wondered what would happen if you were to tumble into a black hole? An intriguing question indeed, but before we dive into the abyss, let's understand what a black hole really is. Think of a black hole as the ultimate space oddity. It's a region in space where gravity pulls so much that not even light can get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Yet space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes by observing the behavior of stars and gases around them. Now, let's venture into the enigma of what would happen if you were to fall into a black hole. This enigma, a ponderous, thought-provoking question, has been a topic of vigorous discussion among scientists for years. To comprehend the mystery, we must first understand what a black hole is. Essentially, a black hole is a region in space where the gravitational force is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from its pull. Physicist Stephen Hawking, one of the most notable figures in the understanding of black holes, once said, "Black holes ain't as black as they are painted. They are not the eternal prisons they were once thought. Things can get out of a black hole, both to the outside and possibly to another universe." Hawking's words imply that black holes are not just traps, but they could potentially be gateways to other universes. So let's hypothesize that you were to fall into a black hole. The idea can be petrifying, but this is not just a simple case of being sucked in and disappearing forever. It's a voyage that transcends the ordinary understanding of time and space. As you approach the black hole, you would begin to feel a strange phenomenon. Time would start to slow down relative to the rest of the universe. Imagine looking back and seeing the universe moving faster while you are gradually being engulfed by the black hole. The slowing down of time is due to the intense gravitational pull of the black hole, a phenomenon known as time dilation. The closer you get to black hole, the stronger the pull and the slower your time. It's as though you're encapsulated in a bubble of time that's moving slower than the rest of the universe. Next, you would start to experience what is known as spaghettification. This term, though amusing, describes a rather horrifying fact. Here's where things get a little weird. You would be stretched out long ways and compressed in from the sides like a strand of spaghetti. Imagine if you were falling feet first into the black hole, your toes would be nearer to the black hole than your head. Your toes would feel a stronger gravitational pull than your head. It's this difference in forces that would stretch you out, hence the term spaghettification. Now, if the black hole is large enough, you might not notice this spaghettification until you're well within the black hole's clutches. The giant black hole would have gentler tides, allowing you to survive the spaghettification process longer. Yet, there would be a point where there's no turning back. That point is the event horizon, or as some like to call it, the zone of no return, the point of no escape. Once you cross this threshold, there's no turning back. You are destined to move towards the heart of the black hole. After crossing this, the black hole's singularity, a point of infinite density, would inevitably crush you into nothingness. The singularity is the final destination, the core of the black hole where the rules of physics as we know it cease to exist. As terrifying as this journey sounds, it's fascinating to ponder about what lies beyond the singularity, in a realm beyond our understanding. The journey into a black hole, then, is a journey into the unknown, a plunge into the mysteries of the cosmos. But in the realm of theoretical physics, there's a twist. Some theories suggest that black holes could act as portals to other universes or points in our universe. This concept, known as a wormhole, however, remains highly speculative and unproven. So, should you ever find yourself face to face with a black hole, it's probably best to admire it from a distance. After all, black holes, while fascinating, are best experienced through the lens of a telescope, not personal experience.